The vacuums I listed here are recommended by the reviewers and have lots of positive feedbacks from the real users. So, if you're looking for the best one for you that is worth your money, then keep watching this video. I guarantee you'll find the best and suitable one for you. And check the links in the description. Okay, let's start with the video. It's difficult to compile a list of vacuums without mentioning Dyson. It makes high-quality vacuums, and you won't find a better device to clean your automobile. The Dyson V7 trigger is the priciest option on our list, but it is the best. The V7 has a strong Dyson digital motor and runs for up to 30 minutes on lithium-ion batteries. Not only is it one of the easiest vacuums to empty, but it also has a 0.15-gallon capacity. No need to touch the dirt, just pull the lever and empty it into a waste container. It comes with a 2-year warranty, a tiny motorized tool, a combo tool, and a crevice tool. If you like to test vacuum cleaners, Dyson uses the IEC 62885 to international standard. A 35-minute battery life and twice the suction force of Hoover's one-power dustbuster make this little vacuum a surprise workhorse. For those ready to invest a little more money, this is an excellent choice. One Power Dust Chaser has an extendable nozzle and 2-in-1 crevice and dusting brushes that allow it to clean confined spots like floor mats and upholstery efficiently. Because it is less than 3 pounds, even long cleaning sessions will not feel like a burden. The 3.84-ounce dirt cup releases and empties easily thanks to the dual-stage HEPA media filter, which collects 97.9% of dust, dirt, and allergens. Suction won't diminish with time, and the filter can be washed and reused with this model. When it comes to purchasing a high-quality, small space car vacuum, Hoover's model is an excellent choice. The Bissell 29869 Eroslim is a slim-style vacuum cleaner. A sleek design that matches the overall aesthetics of any room distinguishes it from the many other options available on the market. It is also very affordable. One of the most notable features of this device, in our opinion, is its compact and lightweight design, which makes it extremely portable and easy to store. It is powered by a lithium-ion battery with a voltage of 7.2 V and a backup time of 12 minutes, allowing you to perform rapid cleanups wherever you are. Also included is a battery indicator that informs you when the product's battery is running low and when it has been completely charged. Because the product comes with an easy-to-empty dirt bin, it is also simple to clean and keep in good condition. Aside from that, it has USB charging capabilities, allowing you to charge it wherever it is most convenient for you. Another aspect of this product that we particularly enjoyed was its extremely reasonable price, which makes it an excellent choice for anyone who are purchasing their first handheld vacuum cleaner. Overall, all of these characteristics combine to make this device a worthwhile investment. We don't have anything to say about Bissell. The Bissell 2390A hand vacuum, on the other hand, has the potential to compete with the other alternatives on the market. To begin with, it features triple-level filtration, which ensures superior cleaning performance. Furthermore, we appreciate its superior battery backup, since its 14 volts lithium-ion battery exceeds our expectations by delivering an extended run duration, which is useful for cleaning vast areas. Despite the fact that it is a portable vacuum cleaner, it has a large 0.7-liter dust cup. This eliminates the need to dump it after minor cleaning sessions. Furthermore, it has a high-quality motorized brush tool that aids in the removal of pet hair and embedded dirt in record time. The crevice tool is particularly worth mentioning because it cleans tight and difficult to reach areas with ease. All of these specialist accessories work together to provide you with satisfactory outcomes. You'll be happy to learn that Bissell donates a portion of the product's price to its Pet Foundation, which is dedicated to protecting homeless pets. When it comes to vacuums, Dirt Devil is most certainly a brand you are familiar with, and its Scorpion Quick Flip Bagless Portable Vacuum is an excellent choice for cleaning a car. With a finish that is reminiscent of Dirt Devil's characteristic red, it also includes an inbuilt quick flip crevice tool that makes cleaning in tight spots a snap. The vacuum is connected to a power cord that is 16 feet in length, which is shorter than the Eureka vacuum. The vacuum comes with a 2.5-foot hose, a dusting brush, a sliding brush, and an upholstery tool, all of which are included. The Dirt Devil Scorpion weighs 3.75 pounds, which makes it slightly heavier than the Dyson V7 trigger, although it is substantially less expensive than the Dyson. In fact, it's one of the most reasonably priced vehicle vacuums on our short list of recommendations. With a 7-amp motor and a 3-year limited guarantee, it stands out among the competition. This is especially noteworthy considering the vacuum's high cost. The Dirt Devil Scorpion Quick Flip Vacuum is recommended for car owners who are searching for a cordless handheld vacuum that simply does its job and does not require any further accessories. Its low cost makes it an appealing option for anyone searching for a straightforward, reasonably priced solution. The Dyson Cyclone V10 Motorhead Lightweight Cordless Vacuums is another excellent cleaner that can be used for up to 60 minutes with a non-motorized tool and will leave your home thoroughly cleaned and freshened. This stick vacuum is a lightweight and adaptable gadget, making it an excellent choice for anyone over the age of 60. There are 3 attachments included with the Dyson Cyclone V10 Motorhead Lightweight Cordless Vacuum Cleaner: a crevice tool, a duster, and a multi-surface floor brush roll. Additionally, it includes 3 different power modes, which may be switched between using the power switch. Furthermore, it has a sleek design with a tiny cleaner head that makes it easy to clean even in confined locations like closets.